Hello and welcome back to another video from VW Campervans. Now today I'm just going to give you a really quick tour of the Kari-Tek roof rack that's on this van. It's a specific roof rack for carrying canoes and kayaks, that kind of stuff. So many of our customers here at VW Campervans are really into this kind of stuff, really outdoorsy, adventurous types of people. And loads of you have kayaks, and how do you transport a kayak in your campervan? Well, this is how you do it. So it's a really simple system to use. Now, if you do have a Gerber roof, you will need the Gerber roof rails fitted. You can't see it on the camera just now, but they basically are just fitted straight onto the roof on the top, and it's just a channel that you can then fix any type of sort of roof racking or roof box system onto. So really simple, really effective, work really well. Now, you'll see these pins, and these will be all the way through and out the other side. So the first thing you want to do is undo your pins, and you'll see I've just got them both hanging down here. I actually like to pull them over the front of the front crossbar, like so. And you will need the J brackets fitted if you plan on lifting a canoe or a kayak. That's what these are. They just bolt onto the Kari-Tek frame. Really simple little addition. And all you want to do is grab the front frame, pull it out as far as it will go. You then pull it down, should drop a little bit, and that sits nice and neatly down the side of your van. What you would then do in your J brackets here is you would grab your canoe or your small kayak, maybe get your help off a friend, lift it in, seat it in the J brackets. If you imagine you're sat in the kayak, so just as the kayak would sit naturally, that's how you sit it in the J brackets. You then fix it in with these straps here, and it will sit quite comfortably at the side of your van. You then reach under again, grab this front cross member, pull it up, slide it up onto the top of your van, push it in as far as it will go, and then again with these little fixing pins, you just thread them through and lock. And there's two of them. I'll just do the second one. And you've got a kayak on the roof of your van. Now you can put a second set of these J brackets on the top, so you could lift two kayaks or two canoes, and they'll sit just comfortably on the top of your roof, and it's a really, really nice little system. Now, we have before shown you some pictures of this system fitted on one of our rental vans at the show that we did in Glasgow, and that had two kayaks on the roof, and we did have the roof up. Now, our roof has a carrying capacity of about 100 kilograms, so two kayaks or two canoes up there, you can still elevate the roof, so you can still use your camper van with the kayaks on the roof, and it's just really fantastic system, and you can see it works really, really well. So hopefully you've enjoyed this video from VW Campervans, and we'll see you in the next one.